YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out now, and they'll ship this to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. This is... Alright. Ooh. Definitely needed these. Zenith DDR4 3200 Power X. 16 gigabytes. 8 gigabyte times 2. Polychrome sync. RGB fusion. Aurora sync. Definitely can't wait to put these in. Just waiting on my graphics card, and then all this stuff will be installed. But I just want to put this video up to show you guys that they have these power RGBs. There's a strip right there. So definitely can't wait to put these in. Like I said, hopefully I'll have them installed by my birthday. I think I'm just waiting on the graphics card, so which should be here around that time. I think I'm going with the Ryzen. But here we go. Oh, where did that go? Gotta make sure where to cut, not to cut. Phone's gonna die. Yep, here he is. Power X. Really nice. So like I said, hopefully by this weekend I'll have these installed and ready to go. Power X. You get two 8-bit or two 8 gigs, 16 gigs total. What a good way to start. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.